Hey guys, so I got just a little something today. I got the Elgato Chat Link. Yeah, so this is for when you want to open things with your hands. Nah, this is for when you're using a capture card to either record or stream from a console. And if you want to include party chat, you need to have this. At least if you're using an analog headset instead of using like the HDMI audio. So let me just see if I can order this without killing my bed. This is always such a struggle for me, for some reason. There we go. It's not the best unboxing I've seen, but or done, for that matter. But so yeah, basically you got two of these and one of these, two males and one female. Let me show you when I get this open. And yeah. Where is it? Oh, I'm sorry this is taking so long. Just an amateur, okay? Plus this is kind of hard with one hand. Especially when you don't know directions. I think I got it now, yep. So, let me just grab my PS5 controller here. So basically what you do is, I think this end, I believe this end with the female end goes here. So you plug this in as you would a normal headset. And then here, actually I need to get my headset. I'm using good old PlayStation stereo headset for this. And plug the cord you have here from the headset to the female here, and then this, the other end, goes to, let me just move this around a bit so I can actually reach my capture card. So I'm using the HD 60S Plus. So what you want to do here is, oh my god, sorry. So you see there's like an analog input there. You want this to go here. And then from the Elgato 4K capture utility, you change the sound input to analog, and your it should pick it up, the party chat. So yeah, this was actually a bit longer than I expected, just because I wanted to show you stuff. Also, I order stuff from a place called Gyms in Finland, and they usually send, actually they always send you like these gummy bears to go with it. So yeah, have a good one guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!